But I like to showcase some beauty still. Big up on yourself, one love, one love. You guys Jamaican? No? Which country?
We're from USA.
Oh, from America. I went to America for the first time the other day. It was excellent. It was so nice. Hey, I walk up and down in the place like I'm a yard. Be a free AC out the door.
It's better here.
Yeah, man, the AC free out the door. We love the AC, man.
Snowing.
Yeah, we say, so that's how I run come out there. Yeah, I want to experience some of the snow.
Snow?
Yeah, man, want some of the ice.
No, I don't like
I go up to Syracuse to try and get it. I'm going to me out the door.
Yeah, New York.
Wicked.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man. So I want to know about Pelican Bar.
I'm having fun. I love it here.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright. Okay.
Let's get him, let's get him, let's get him, let's get him. Up, 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 up.
I'll put a foot there.
Come on.
I'll hold your hand, you put a foot there.
Seal.
Yeah.
Give them an open hand. Step on here again.
Step on the other one.
Get her up, man. She drop. Nobody drop me now. Alright, so if all of that, give your Instagram a shout out.
It's Libra Princess, yo.
One more time.
Libra Princess.
That is it. Yeah, so these abandoned villa. This one look crazy, car. This actually come like it in the sea still. So we're still there at Treasure Beach. We'll explore a little bit. Oh, I'm not even sure if these are safe. Look at this. I wonder if we can go up to. This used to be the bathroom. Hey, push me. Ah, got it. I have to watch my step because this looks shaky as hell. You see, some parts here collapsing thing. Yikes. These are massive though. I don't think I go up the stairs. Wait. Look, look. Oh. See you.
Yeah, man.
Hi.
You can test it out.
I don't know. I feel pretty solid. Yikes. Yikes.
Alright. Well, I'm probably a bigger boy than you, but...
Alright, so we're on the top. Why me I do this, bro? But I just want to see what inside looks like. This feel like the Giddy House.
The what house?
The Giddy House in Port Royal. Look at that.
Wow. Yo, you could have been waking up to this. Apparently. You see some alligators come on the road here, huh?
Enough time, man.
Yeah?
Enough time.
They ever try to get at you?
No.
No?
Crocodile afraid of man.
Afraid of you?
Yeah, man. But two fish, I just a piece of meat and call them. As they see the boat, then start swim to it.
Yeah.
Oh,
So me just call them and say, alright, hold on. So me just take out the meat, wash it in the water and give it to him.
So
and he come right up on the boat.
Lean up like
Yeah.
a yard.
Yeah, me no can hold his hand, man.
So, how is the gator meat?
Nice.
Heck yeah.
But I know I used to eat the egg. I
egg.
eat the egg enough. Used to
You
eat
shouldn't eat the
enough.
eggs. They need to reproduce.
Yeah, man, but the egg, they're very strong though.
You know what? I've had gator eggs in Cambodia now that I think
Powerful.
about it.
Well, tell them what your name and how to get to you when time they want to go over Pelican Bar.
My name is Captain Swift.
Captain Swift.
Yeah, Captain Swift. Anytime, and my phone number, 423-7561.
So 423-7561.
Okay, sir, you got it.
That is it.
You got
And
it.
your name Mr. Swift.
Mr. Swift.
Captain
They call me
Swift.
Captain Swift.
Yeah, so we have arrived, as you can see, Pelican Bar.
I'm gonna get one more. This one's bigger. This one's bigger. Let me break its head off. Oh, look at that. And you just squeeze this and suck at the same time. There's so much juice in that.
Yeah.
Like, so much of the seasoning and the juice, and it squirts everywhere.
Yo, him try some words in my way, just
Did I
take
get,
me
did
out.
I get, oh, that squirt, yeah?
Never hear him try some words, like the squirt.
Oh my gosh, I am sorry, bro.
Yeah, so we just mash up the food and thing. Breakfast was so good. See, having your hand, everything, mouth, everything. You know, like a lick our finger and be sitting. As a real Jamaican. Yeah, so now it's a dancing like him putting all the elbow in it.
She put her elbow in it, you know, nice.
Glory be to the Almighty. I wanna pray with you tonight now. over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies around to me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. Judge, as long as I live, bless the Lord.
Yes, massive big up and love, respect in all aspect. You don't know. For you look, you see the white guy.
No.
You don't know. Yeah, seal and tour. For you look, there's a wood that magnet fishing Jamaica.
One magnet fishing Jamaica.
Great, no well.
Yeah.
Big up every time. It's a massive adventure start. We're there on the road. Look good now, man. So, massive, we're actually on the way right now and we're heading to St. Elizabeth side. We're going to Pelican Beach. Or Pelican Bar.
Okay.
Pelican Bar.
Treasure Beach.
Treasure Beach. See it? So massive. I've never been there before. But I always see that little bar inside of the sea. I mean, I say, yo, how them get them? I see people there on boat, all sort of things. I go there and base it. I mean, I say, yo, John Star, a joke thing this year. But I have to go catch a place for myself. So, you know, when see link up, I say, yo, we are go a Pelican Bar. I mean, I say, yo, be ready. Yes, that is it. So, him have crazy idea. And then you don't know, Noel there, a great magnetic fish. We're going to chew off him bad nick. We're going to see if we can find 2 jewelry, 2 cell phone, 2 sit. Yeah, treasure in a treasure beach.
Yeah.
That is it. Oh, you mean?
All I treasure them.
Yeah. And so angle it, you see me? So massive, look here. We're there in our place and we just go through. But first, we're going to get some breakfast. See me? We're going to get some breakfast. So we're going to stop at one of the big bad chef named Danzy Kitchen. Godfather, be so forward. Yeah. So we are going to actually go so boom and stop at Danzy Kitchen and we are going to get some food, some nice breakfast. So you say you want some nice home style breakfast, not true? See?
Yeah. I want some nice home style breakfast.
Yeah, massive.
Nice
Let's go.
home style.
Wanna sit with me here because more time I talk, Seal is like, what the hell is he saying? He's talking so fast. You see me? So, yeah, massive. So we're heading to Treasure Beach. Treasure Beach is a beautiful part of St. Elizabeth and thing. And we're going to check out Pelican Bar. Pelican Bar is one of the famous spots down there. And we just want to hold a little vibe, show you exactly what Pelican Bar is all about. So, massive. Stay tuned, watch the video. Seal and tour. Noel, you don't know magnet fishing Jamaica.
Yeah.
We're there. Watch you go. We're going to stop see if we can get some jelly on the way. Any little thing where we can find, where we can make a little vibe and just show on the journey. And that we are going to do. You see me? So stay tuned. Mad love, mad respect. Let's do this, man. Look good now, man. Yeah, massive, so we just reach a Danzy Kitchen. We're going to get some breakfast and thing. The whole crew there. You understand? You know we do we thing already. So we get to see some real Jamaican food right now. A Danzy Kitchen in a Maypen. You understand? Alright. So we're good to go. What you say?
Yeah, man,
Great, no way.
A long time I aim with the dancing or something. I try to dance.
At the maddest thing in a Maypen, man. I'm not going around the scene.
Alright.
At the maddest thing, I tell you. Danzy Kitchen, let's do this.
Okay.
So massive, this is Danzy Kitchen. You're not going to know enough about Danzy Kitchen. Danzy! Sorry, my camera roll. You don't know me, I always go pop up on you, know. So, Noel, this is a great Danzy Kitchen. So she shot. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, so- I saw me
Why?
stay, man. Big up yourself, man. You don't know you have the best food, so we have to show you thing what I want. So this is Magnet Fishing Jamaica. Big YouTuber.
Magnet fishing.
Jamaica, yeah.
Magnet fishing Jamaica.
Yes.
That is it.
Listen, it's a pleasure to have you right inside the Danzy Kitchen and I'm not joke something. I am
Yeah.
super blessed.
A mad thing. And this guy is my friend from Canada. His name is Seal on Tour
But
on
listen,
YouTube. That is it. Me I tell you, man. I saw superstar in it today, man. So
Amazing. So what's good? What's your name?
Nolan, but you can call me Seal if you want.
Seal. Oh my God.
Seal.
Seal.
Yeah.
Seal?
Like the seal in the sea.
Like a little seal. Like
Listen. I feel good right now. So I'm in a Danzy kitchen and I'm nowhere else over there. So Seal, it's a pleasure having you here today. I have to go make sure I fix you up nicely so you can get the Jamaica food and.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, about that, we have on the menu.
Today we have some ackee and saltfish, we have some brown stew chicken, we have some curry goat,
Yeah.
we have paprika fried chicken.
You're not going further. I feel like more brown stew. Where's the brown stew too? And that you been talking about? Ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and saltfish are my national additional.
That is it. But what you see? Where that take?
I'm gonna take that ackee and saltfish. I've been craving some since I got here.
Figure that.
You know, so you're there right place.
Great, Danzy kitchen. Let's
I'm so
do
glad
this.
to have these gentlemen right here inside the Danzy kitchen. Listen.
Oh, hold on. Sit, Danzy.
Listen,
See the bad sauce, yeah?
Listen.
Massive. My house can't out at this, you know. No good,
Can't
no man.
and we have the Caesar. See here?
No, well, don't play with that sit there. You can use it as a base or you can just use it as a dip.
Okay.
Like,
Oh, and you see like how you like your fish outside and all of them something there?
Yeah.
You don't have to worry. One drop of this,
Yeah.
for anything where you do, it infused with paprika, cayenne pepper, parsley, from you drop it on liquor fish.
Yeah.
God.
Come and say so.
Yeah,
one.
a bad thing. Yeah, but the Danzy kitchen massive. Don't play with it. We're there in a pen. So who don't know what they tell them about the Danzy?
So you can always find Danzy at shop number 3 Midland Court Plaza. That's right on Manchester Avenue. Our number is 541-9974. You're not getting no better than this. You have to find us on all social media platforms. Chef Danzy, Danzy Kitchen.
That is it. Go run the food and the hungry kill it.
Midland Plaza, Manchester Avenue. Right inside, right in a Clarendon.
Figure
right
that.
in Maypen. So for you come to Maypen and you say you want to find Danzy Kitchen, you know no problem. Anywhere you tap, you say you know someone want to find Danzy Kitchen, right on Manchester Avenue.
That
you can't
is
get
it.
it no better than that.
Brown stew chicken and 2 ackee and saltfish. They're looking at Danzy kitchen.
Covered.
Bad thing. Yeah. See, real food. I bad chef that is such a shot.
I'm excited. Let's go. The real thing.
Figure that.
Yeah,
I mean. My one is like a brown stew.
Yeah, this is the brown stew.
Figure that. I don't know my table over there, so. Yeah, massive. So. Yeah. Brown stew breakfast. That is it.
Dumpling, dry, yellow yam.
That is it. Oh, yeah, babe. Let's go. I'm mash up this fast, you know, see. Yeah, so we just mash up the food and thing. Breakfast was so good. Seal, having hand, everything, mouth, everything.
I-
You know, like a liquor finger and be sitting. As a real Jamaican. Yeah, so now it's a dance look like him put his whole elbow in it.
Put her elbow in it, you know, nice.
Yeah, man, a bad thing. So we just have breakfast and things. So Danzy kitchen there. So
Listen, you know what time it is. Danzy Kitchen, right down at Maypen, right in a Clarendon. Call us 541-9974.
That is it. So we actually are show out a dance here now. We don't know Pelican bar. We are going to see a Treasure Beach, so and a normal thing. Yeah, man, that's how we are going. So stay tuned, we're still there. We're there in a Maypen and we don't just check out the journey and be things as we just go through as YouTubers link up. We got Pelican bar, crazy in a Treasure Beach. Figure that? That is it. Let's do this. Look good, no, man, in a Santa Cruz. It's a fair place. Big up and respect, no, me G. That is it. All is a big up to your family and me G up, you understand? Oh,
anything at all, man.
alright, tell me what I go on, so.
Is it for a good cause?
Yeah, dancing.
Alright, so we have a TV program in Jamaica. It's
so
a
you're gonna do
competition.
a dance though, right?
No, the competition actually I go up on TV, right? So the dancers them participate tonight, but them go out in the street.
Yeah.
I try to get support, donation, so they can buy more credit to get more vote.
So it's for the youth.
Yeah. So.
See if I got some change.
Yo, big up yourself. Yeah, bro. No.
Yo, my G, continue to support the thing in the year. Big up every time, my bro. Blessings and love.
No respect, my brother.
And we there. That is it, my teacher. So, in my dig deep. So, we have seal over here, so I dig deep. You understand? Me don't really have no change. I have to go try to get some change, you know well.
They're essentially getting amalgamation.
Now, at that, me have to owe the pharmacy lady a while ago because guess what? Me not have enough. And she don't have no change.
Put it in this. Oh, it's a tiny little slit. Look, you're even getting some
But want some more than that?
Canada. If you want to keep that,
want
that
some
might be
more
a
than that?
peso. There's a peso for you.
Yo, now have change. You can change $2,000. I give me $2,500. Give me $1,000 and $2,500.
Alright. We're on a high.
Who are going to more money? Who can get?
change, man.
Who you can get?
Where can we go buy a nice cold red stripe?
Right in there.
Yeah,
Well, no, this is a
no, we
grocery store.
can't.
We're
Yeah.
gonna go buy from the people.
Get a change to me.
No,
Who go to some more money? Can't go to a dibby money.
no, none of that. We gotta buy from the people. Where's the
Oh yeah, fresh. You dance at home.
You can buy over here, say no. What you say?
Alright, see? Real dancer, ready for dance.
Yeah,
So, 2, step, 3, 4, back,
paid for something.
back.
This is what we paid for.
That, yes. Man, no music. No music. You see why I say I can't get a dibby change, man?
You say me get the change.
Yeah, man, go on and for me, teacher. So, massive, we're there in Santa Cruz. You understand? And I'm there out the general, seal and tour. Say, we want to get a red stripe. So, we're going to see what I go on. You understand?
Right over here, sir.
What the dancing crew name? Famous.
Yeah.
So, Santa Cruz in the forward from her, just come down and say, look good.
Just come down here and look for it, you know?
That is it, man. You know, go and do it. You're a real dancer. I like the energy, I like the spirit, elbow bumps.
Dancing right.
Yeah, man. I rate that. You see me? So, I just have to keep doing the chat, my bro. Get the vote in. Me in a rising star team, I'm used to in the street I work with my pants here, you know, big up bus stand anyway. They walk out the whole of downtown, all about try to get vote. I have to buy phone card. So, I know where the chap go.
Yeah, man.
So, we can't throw the silver in a pan.
Yeah.
You understand? We can't do that something there. You see me? So, we're there massive. In a Santa Cruz. Look good. You get through. All right. Oh, you taking 5 bills? Alright, that is it, man. Big up, go and do it. Not supporting the thing, see?
That's right.
Well, look at cool red stripe, you know, see?
Alright. Big up.
Jamaica walk by, if you don't subscribe it, subscribe to the thing. That is it. In a Santa Cruz. Dance on him again. Famous. That is it. Blessing. We're there with Seal walking at them town like I'm yard. Yes, massive. Don't joke, don't. Yeah, my church sister, you sell out some nice things though. Yeah, maybe give her a sponsor. Can you see to my mother Igla?
Yes.
Yeah, me actually shoot a Jamaica walk by video. Big up yourself and love. You hear that? Me not no more change. Me just change and give dancing dynamite people them some love. I mean, so me see her, I know my mother thinks, so me always have to try.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah, me might not have to forgive everybody, but at least somebody, you know? Yeah, man, every time. Come to see Santa Cruz.
Something here.
Yeah, man, same way.
I like that. That's something cool.
Yeah. I must say, so see so much I get a cool red stripe and things so. We just stop in a Santa Cruz a little bit because guess what? We are at the Pelican bar in a St. Elizabeth, Treasure Beach. You see me? So, alright, see a general over this still. Make see if we can get a red stripe from it. See, say you want a red stripe. Godfather, you might have no cool red stripe. You don't have no red stripe. You have cool one? You know, cool. Oh, you want a cool one, don't you? Yeah, cool red stripe over. Alright. There's a cool red stripe. You got that.
We're being beckoned.
Yeah, show me back.
Oh, show me that.
Voila, you can see.
This lovely lady right here. Hello, lovely lady.
You have cool red stripe? I see them tell we say you have cool red stripe, man. Yeah, man, bust it on two cool red stripe there.
What's this as well? You got tobacco? Tobacco, huh? Some of those? One of them. Yeah, that one was for you, sir. You only had the one?
It says we are going to drive now.
You only got the, okay, well, how about one of us have a Heineken? I'll take a Heineken.
Where's the Heineken?
I'll take a Heineken. What do you want?
Nah, me go.
Santa Cruz is very nice. It's very nice. Santa Cruz is very nice.
Yeah, really nice stone.
Nice stone.
That's worth a beer? Okay. Okay.
Why be DJ? I'm saying my DJ, drop a tune, man. Drop, if I'm B-side tune, man, nobody had this song, man.
You're a DJ?
Drop B-side song,
You
man.
gotta drop me something.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna get you a beer.
What are you going to talk about? Facebook?
YouTube and Facebook, everywhere.
You're
Why?
famous.
Why you're sitting? Alright. I want to name more. I have a new style of me, I tell you about more. 10 girl me have a, me still want more. I have a little girl and she live up more. You can her she still want more. Jump and clap if you want hear more. Dance and rock if you want some more. When we say the style name again, more than a we have and we still want more.
That's worth a beer.
That's
worth
it.
a beer. When you said Santa Cruz is nice, I don't know, but you just gain yourself a beer, okay?
Big at that.
I'll take one more for this gentleman right here as well. How much for the? How much for three? Just 5? 12.
Yeah.
Woo! I don't know if I have that. Yeah, we gotta pop it.
Yeah, we say I love the Heineken too.
Yeah, Heineken's good.
Yeah, man, Heineken refreshing. No joke, no doubt.
Alright, respect.
I bless up here, myself. Big up, respect.
Santa Cruz survive.
Yeah, man, it's a nice stone, man. Trust me. Alright, so we actually just there get a little feel of Santa Cruz. Fire, where go on?
What one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, say pumpkin and beer same thing.
Yeah, man.
I go sponsor. How much for that bag of pepper?
100.
$100. I don't want a pepper now, but I'm going to still buy one for somebody. So if somebody come to you and have no money,
Yes,
you can give them one.
Ah,
Big up and love and respect. Elbow bounce man always. Where they found from?
Back down Black River way.
Black River side. Big up every time. A Jamaica walk by, you understand?
Yeah, man. Do your thing,
Yeah, man, that is it.
You like
That's
how
it.
you do your thing.
I saw me stay, my mother eagle line up.
They say you
See
have
that?
to pay if you do a thing.
My mother eagle line up. So, you know the chap go man, you understand?
That's the thing.
So, once we touch that street now, always have to try to support
Alright,
CMSP.
do your show.
Today on the big bridges. I'm sure in Jamaica, you know?
Yes, man. Do your show. Pick up
Big up
yourself.
every time, man. Respect. Yeah. So we just did a Santa Cruz and go through a little bit. And if say want a cool red stripe, and you actually get a Heineken still, you see me? So we are going to vibe and energy as we head to Pelican Bar. Massive, look good, man. Me do if you go on one next tour Santa Cruz, you know. But yeah, me do that tour already, man. But no time before Corona.
Yeah. Guy across the street wants to say what's up.
You want to say something here?
I don't know.
Alright. We can go cross, man. Yeah, so let me see what I go on. What am I say?
What do you want to say to the people?
Big up my teacher.
Your dog selling dogs? Yeah. I like that. I like
Bless
that.
up my teacher, respect.
Where are we right now?
Jamaica walk by and seal and tour. Me a tour of Jamaica, you understand? Okay. Yeah.
Nice parchment.
Love you, I do a Pelican Bar where I end. So I want to show him the Pelican Bar, you understand? Yeah, so the teacher actually juggle some hot dog and thing.
What's this?
To be honest, we don't have no more change. We amount of sponsor, but if I should be like it, not much.
Oh, okay. My
Well,
boy,
don't know
my
anything,
boy,
bro.
that's good. He sponsors him.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Big
I
up,
like
man.
talking to the people.
That's how we are doing outside in Santa Cruz. Chelsea says a different energy you get in Santa Cruz.
Yeah, it's different.
Then people are more open up and, you know, nourishing
it
and
here.
yeah, it's a vibe.
I want a white thing and you get more round and round, you know.
Where's that?
I want a white female.
I want a white girl.
I do?
No, him what I
you
want.
do.
Alright, so where Instagram go? So them are hear this right and also how your Instagram go, how they can link you.
Yeah man, you know Gaza man same way. Underscore, you know what thing go.
Gaza man underscore, that
Yeah,
your name
man.
by Instagram.
Gaza man.
Yeah man.
Figure that. That is it, my bro.
And you're from Gaza?
Yeah. No, but I don't. Yeah.
Gaza done.
You don't know
But
anything.
Gaza's a place in Jamaica.
Yeah, but you have an artist in Jamaica represent Gaza. You have only ratings in the street.
Yeah,
You understand? A teacher.
Yeah,
Vibes Cartel.
yeah.
You understand? So you have to know them things that you need to come
I
to Jamaica. You
understand.
understand? When they hear a man say Gaza, you know a chap go.
What would this be? What is this our father?
Alright, so I am Jamaica Walk By. He's Seal on tour on YouTube and all social media platform you can find it. You know? Yeah, it's a big YouTuber from Canada.
Yeah, you look me up.
Yeah. That is it. Blessing. Yeah. Oh, me teacher, outside, look good now, man. Walking store.
No window, no door.
No window, no door. Remember me tell you that. The girl, them sit, look good now, man. Don't play.
Nah, man, we not cap, man. I real thing, man.
Nah, cap.
Cheap and clean, you know?
Cheap and clean. Don't play it.
Nah, man, set it, man.
Big up my teacher. I'm sorry, me have no more to drop by y'all. Give a thing. You see me? Blessing massive. Santa Cruz. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Look good. Look good. Yeah, this is a nice town, man. I'm telling you, like if we have the time to really walk on this town, you'll see a lot of food because this is actually an agricultural side of Jamaica too, you know.
I like it.
Yeah.
But we gotta go find the treasures at Treasure Beach.
Yeah. We have got a Pelican bar.
Let's keep going.
Let's stay tuned. We have to do it. Bless up, bless up, bless up.
Coconut. Do you have any rum as well? You do a coconut and rum? Oh, you're the best.
What's this, Shaka Boss, yeah?
Yeah, she's gonna hook it up.
Alright then, that's great.
She's the boss lady.
So yeah, we just stop at a nice spot here. So she have a bunch of things that go on. You don't know, me see honey. Me see actually ital nuts. Crazy thing, coconut. You don't know, she say coconut and rum. So let's get it. That is it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
We gotta keep the buzz going right now. We stop on the side of the road, but the rum is cheap.
That is it. You get the right price.
Yeah, exactly. Well,
Watch your face, you look excited.
I'm excited always. Let's go.
Because you need machete. Real machete.
You're skilled with that thing.
Wait, do that. Well precise. Man. That, I better say no one can chop a coconut so good. Yeah. Alan bamboo. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, you gotta drink a little. Oh, you got that rum in there. Okay, I see how you.
Yeah, you have a drink out some. How is it? Mad.
Fresh, man. And there you go. Got a shot in there. Less up. Good combination. I don't need no straw. Just drink it as is. Thank you. What's your name? Bumba vibes.
No. Bamboo
Bumble
vibes.
clot vibes. Bamboo vibes. Okay. Respect bamboo vibes. Cheers.
That is it.
Try our coconut rum.
So yo, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. The road trip start and it's just a go on good. You understand? Sail! How you feel? Nice.
Very nice. I'll get used to it.
Yeah, so you know you can't come Jamaica if you don't. If you come that side and you know stop Island Bamboo. You know, and check out the beautiful scenery here. Get a few jelly on the way. So the spot over there right now is bamboo vibes. You understand? So we are give her a strength and she go on good. You understand? That's how we do we think, you know, support is key. You see me? So we not have plans who we are gonna stop. We just random stop at anybody but we vibe, we mind just tell. So if we stop and I will that. Do this. Yeah, so cheers to all like massive Jamaica sweet. You understand we are going to live like a life same way. Yeah. What that? No bonfire pan straw. You know it's okay than a coconut. What I'm here? Straight away.
I'll use it. Is this video live? No. Just for YouTube. He's not a well. He streams.
Refreshing. All of my foreigner them boy. We not miss the real fresh pick coconut off a tree. When you just follow the Jamaica contour, man, the place is just airy. Say airy.
Airy.
Airy vibe. Airy vibe. What's the name? Airy, you know? I be the red stripe. Marty! We just a shoot out again. So one more for bamboo vibes. Alan Bamboo, you understand? So we are shoot out again. We're still on the way. Pelican bar. Here we come. We're going. We're moving. It's a vibe.
This is a proper road trip.
Yeah, man, that is it.
It wouldn't be a proper road trip without a few stops for liquor along the way.
Yeah, man.
Ooh, love it.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Yeah, so we get some crayfish. You understand? No joke. So my favorite seller them. See them there? Look good now, man. That is it. Right out a bigger quarters with them. Look good. See there? Crayfish. See them there? I'm my favorite them. And then me get my crayfish from. No joke, no doubt. You understand? See you, let's try.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. You want me to try it now?
So I get this selection, you know what I mean? That is it.
You wanna play the ladies?
Yeah, man, be up here, man. You know what you go. You can try it.
Yeah, I was waiting till we get out of the music.
Alright, then we do that. Choo-choo. Alright, so we have to come out on the nice so we can actually see what I want. So, yeah, so I have the crayfish now in nice brown bag. See that? Real pepper crayfish. Yeah.
Oh, baby.
That is it.
I mean, I've eaten crawfish before, but they were a little bigger than this. So let me show me what we're doing here. That's right.
You want to know what it is?
Oh, it's all good. It's all good. Right. That's perfect. Just rip off the head.
Yeah, it's up to you or you want to eat it.
And then you suck this out.
Well, go on if you can.
And then I'm gonna break this tail. Oh.
Beer juice.
Oh, there we go.
That is it.
Mmm.
Spicy.
Mmm. Yeah, it's got that garlic, that salt, that spice. And you're still eating the poo-poo sack.
The what?
It's got the poo-poo sack.
The poo-poo sack, you call it?
Or is that the vein?
That a fine black piece.
Is this the poo-poo sack?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I don't know if they clean them. Well, no, it's
but
good.
you can't eat that in a crayfish, can we just chop everything?
Yeah, it's good protein.
Alright, so I'm gonna start my intro now.
Yeah, man, do your thing.
I'm gonna get one more.
Alright.
I'm gonna get one more. This one's bigger. This one's bigger. Let me break its head off. Oh, look at that. And you just squeeze this and suck at the same time. There's so much juice in that. Like so much of the seasoning and the juice, and it squirts everywhere.
Yo, him choice of words in my way just
Did I get? Oh, that squirt. Yeah.
Never hear him choice of words like the squirt.
Oh my gosh, I am sorry, bro. I squirted on him.
What's going on, everybody?
Bono.
You know we're there on a magnet fishing video. And today we're there with
Great Jamaica walk by. Figure that?
yeah, Jamaica walk by. And
Seal on tour, eating crawfish.
yeah, so we're going to do a YouTube collab. You don't know where go Pelican Bar go find the treasure. Well, Pelican Bar is at Treasure Beach. St. Elizabeth, no.
That is it.
So you don't know how this treasure is.
That's good.
You know, I take a look, we can see what going in the water and see what we can find.
Too many YouTubers here.
Everybody,
3 YouTubers at the same
So-
time.
Oh, sorry.
No, man, you're good.
No,
No, thing, man.
I think it's cool. I like it. I like it.
Alright, so
Alright,
I
I'm
get
putting mine
started, you
away.
know?
That is it. So that's Noel Massey. I see what they think. Yeah, so the see feed video, just see exactly go on which artist started. Where's it? How was it?
Oh, excellent. I love that.
It was great.
That was good.
Alright. You know why I'm not eat my one yet? Because I actually have a little sinus problem right now. And pepper, this baby, a pepper shrimp or pepper crayfish them. And once me take on that right now, me can't drive. They're gonna start see these other places. I eat this time in the yard and me just a first style. You see me? Road again.
Apparently. You see some alligators come on the road here, huh?
Enough time, man.
Yeah?
Enough time.
They ever try to get at you?
No.
No?
Crocodile afraid of man.
Afraid of you? Yeah, look at you. Big tough guy.
No, not
Yeah.
a big tough guy, but we know how to angle them.
I'd like to see one right now.
Eh?
You see them often?
Yes, but if you see one actually right now, no doubt to take you up the river.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, man.
Maybe
And
we could do a hot-
when going up the river, then I just carry whether 2 fish or just a piece of meat and call them. As they see the boat, then start swim to it.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
oh.
me just call them and say, alright, hold on. So me just take out the meat, wash it in the water and
Give
give
them.
it to him.
So you-
and he come right up on the boat.
Lean up like
Yeah.
a yard.
I mean, I can hold his hand, man.
So do you catch them and cook them?
One time gone, but
One time. How is the gator meat?
nice.
Heck yeah.
But I know I used to eat the egg. I
egg.
eat the egg enough. Used to
You
eat
shouldn't eat the
enough.
eggs. They need to
Yeah, man,
reproduce.
but the egg, they're very strong though.
You know what? I've had gator eggs in Cambodia now that I think about
Powerful.
it.
Cambodia.
Yeah,
Look
man.
here.
Okay.
Park in the yard, my create.
Where we
We are
park?
do that. Alright, we are do that. We are park right now. So,
Alright.
yeah, you had a nice conversation. There's a good conversation. So, this guy, come here, my friend. Yeah. So, this guy, he give you a really good deal and bargain for say you for go cross, and hear a lot of persons talk about him. Well, tell them what your name and how to get to you when time they want to go over Pelican Bar.
My name is Captain Swift.
Captain Swift.
Yeah, Captain Swift. Anytime, and my number, my phone number, 42.
Forget.
Yeah,
Maggot it.
yeah, man, that one.
427561.
So 42
7561. That's my phone number.
or 442.
423
Yeah.
7561.
So 423-7561.
Okay, sir, you got
That
it.
is it.
You got
And
it.
your name Mr. Swift.
Mr. Swift.
Captain
they call me
Swift.
Captain Swift.
That is it. So we are work with Captain Swift for the best prices down here when it comes down to Pelican Bar and for
Yeah,
carry
man.
across safely
Okay.
and back and front. You understand?
Right.
That is
And-
it.
And my boat can hold up to 35 people.
Your boat can hold up to 35 people.
Yeah, man, up to 35
That
people.
is it. You don't know Captain Swift, you are forward.
And it's a new boat.
New boat too.
Yeah, man.
Figured that. So yeah, massive. So we are gonna work with Captain Swift right now and think. We say ready?
We're ready.
Ready like Freddy, man.
That is it. Let's do this. We actually go over Pelican bar right now, but me I change my clothes. You don't know shoes take off and thing. So me I go change my clothes so I can go over there more fitting because I probably take 2 swim and them look at thing there. So we're there at Captain Swift ends. You understand? You see number for link him if you don't want to go cross over Pelican bar and thing safely. You see me? So boat can hold up to 35 person. So you can link up Captain Swift and tell him on now forward on the crew and everybody just come. Best price. Me now go around, I can give you a really good price to go across them and say, yeah, me rate that. You understand, Swift? Big up every time. Let's do this. Yeah, so look good. We change off and thing, you don't know. Yeah, so look where now we'll walk with. So now we'll walk with the life vest them and thing just in case. And thing. We are go out in the water, we especially go up on a boat. We well secure. But I know the Captain Swift supposed to have life vest. So they're supposed to good. But we actually carry through our own. You understand? You don't know. Now we're always in a same thing. Yeah. So we have a few more but we can actually use for the team. So we're good to go. You understand? So we're well prepared for over Pelican bar and things. So massive remember on the link up Captain Swift. You understand? The same number. The number up on the screen and it's out there in the description. So if you don't want to go Pelican bar or don't have to bother come with no pussy in a bag. You just show Captain Swift and Captain Swift we organize the trip for now. Remember in boat can hold 35 people. So we're good to go on a new boat. So we're safe. You understand? Yes, I'm wrong when you put it on? Yeah. Alright.
O'Neil. O'Neil.
Hear me. So we this. Oh, we this safety first. You understand? Safety first all the time. Safety first. So we're ready and up. Pelican bar ready. Mr. Noel ready? Alright, so General I sort out the boat.
Maybe come back up.
I step on the pocket.
I'm good, man.
I step in here and step on the pocket.
What?
Are you scared of the water?
What, me?
You can't swim?
No, but safety first.
Safety first?
Yeah, I can swim, but safety first. So I go up on a boat. When the time we swim, we swim.
What, you think that thing's gonna hit an iceberg or something?
Iceberg? Maybe not an iceberg. A brand new boat, this man. This is a boat are fresh.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You think that's gonna capsize? Okay, well, yeah, you left me one-handed. Yeah. See, now we have two hands. Two bodies with the two hands.
Alright, you good?
Yeah, man, you're good.
Alright. See, I know them a big swimmer and see have any life vest there. Safety first. When the time we swim, we swim. So we are going over Pelican here now. So you see exactly what I go on. See me? No joke, no doubt. Go, sir. Alright, let me load up.
Captain, what's your name?
Captain Swift.
Captain Swift.
Yeah.
Motor name?
Yeah, nice sturdy boat. Bunch of thing.
Big up. Okay, we're going on board the Righteous King right now.
What boat name?
Righteous King.
The Righteous King.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good Jamaican name. Look at that.
Look how you're full of sun away. Are you lying down in the sun?
What's that?
Look why you're lying down in the sun.
Yeah. I was from the mongrels, dude.
Oh, from the dog then?
Yeah, I was picking the
Crazy guy.
ticks out of the ear. This guy, look at this deer scratching the boat. We're on the righteous side. Look at this.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Is that your seat that?
I thought Jamaicans were quite homophobic. This is looking like the LGBTQ flag right here, guys.
Yeah, we're not.
Progressive.
Let me tell you something about Jamaica. We not trouble them not trouble we. But when time they start trouble we have a problem. But color, cause I still a rainbow in the sky. We can't do nothing about that. And we have kids and things.
Wow.
I just them choose the color. Color was always around. But that's for them thing, you know?
I don't know what Fabian said, but we found the most progressive boat in all of Jamaica.
Alright, so yeah. We better gear up now. Up and running. Pelican bar. We are forward. So we're gonna see how long it takes for we.
Swift.
Yeah, Captain Swift. We're gonna see how long it will take if we reach cross over Pelican bar. Where you say? How long you think? No way.
That take about 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. You take the engine off a shallow. Yeah. Oh, so pretty much it's a dry it out.
Yeah,
Captain Swift.
Swift. He's swift with it. Yeah. Like a flash.
We're there on the righteous kick. Look good now, man. That is it. So see the massive, we can hold up to 35 people and actually have live vests and all sorts of stuff ready. We carry our one still, but yeah, good. Yeah. Oh, there we there.
Right on the water. This is prime real estate.
Right by the water.
Places here in Jamaica where you just get houses right on the water. What do you think land here would go for? Property. Just the land.
Like $10 million.
10 million Jamaican.
For a quarter acre.
Yeah, so that's about a little under 100,000 USD, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. That's actually not bad. Yeah, so probably like 70,000 USD. Nice property along the ocean. Quaint little village.
Nah, man, we can't swim, man. No bother with that. So, he might crank it up, man. You know the thing that he said she flood, you know? So we are going.
What do you mean Jamaican walk by? You ain't walking there.
Well, Jamaica boat by, you know. Jamaica boat by.
Oh, Jamaica boat by.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
So like she up and running now.
Captain Swift. Captain of the righteous king.
Alright. Alright, go in the get a good amount of crank before it come on, you know?
Yeah.
Good to go, you know. Yeah, active again. Right now I'm under some sunlight for us peek through the sky and shine down on it. Yeah.
What is the white guy seeing?
I'm made for the water. What? I'm a white boy from Canada. I love the water. You know? Love boats. Grew up on boats.
There's a gas. There's a gas at all.
Ask the white man to take off that rope off of the boat.
Oh,
No, not that one.
Not that one.
The one on top.
The one.
No.
No, look.
See,
Yeah,
over,
sit
over,
up
over
the
there.
time.
Oh, there, yeah.
Yeah, that's releasing.
Holy, you're gonna pay me for my labor, guys. It's scary up there, God.
Bad thing, let's do this. Yeah, man, yes. says a boat that and I eat that. It's a boat.
Oh.
Yeah, it no matter about it. Just get with there. Yeah. It's a vibe, you don't know Pelican bar, you know, it's an experience, so I show them exactly how it's it to get there. We can see how long we can go and roll for until we reach the bar, so we can know exactly what it's about, you know. There on the boat, Captain Swift. You understand? We can link him up. Glad the house had it built too close to the sea. That house is legit then at the water, you know. So you can tell that the sea wasn't that far, you know?
Yeah. Did it completely get abandoned?
Yeah, it looks so.
Dude, we should try to go in it.
Oh yeah?
After.
Yeah, we can try that, yes?
Yeah, I think it looks easy to get into.
Yeah, it's abandoned now.
Wow. They built that close to the lake. The house is built big and close to the sea. Now it's completely tilted, falling into the ocean. But, well, there's a bunch of units there. I reckon we could go and try to get into them. After we get completely pissed drunk at Pelican bar. All of those right there. Alright, we're gonna keep going.
I think it's that one center camera now. One much further out. So massive, we're doing it together. If you're watching thus far, you're not yet like the video, please may I ask if you like the video, please. So now well there, you can go over to Magnet Fishing Jamaica and subscribe to him channel.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Get some great content over there too.
When we reach, we show them the magnet and show them the metal detector and how it was.
That is it.
Yeah.
Long time I don't see seal so calm. Oh, that guy there?
Yeah.
Watch TikTok.
When you go inside there, when you go on the bar, and you spend on clock, you start to fill in the code and get the name and the code.
Alright.
The code, the name and the code. They don't tell you which part in the code you want to stop.
Alright, sir. Cool.
Oh, it's a nice
Captain Swift. Yeah, Massive, let's get some shots. No, look at that one.
I like the fresh breeze. Feels good. Looks like there's some acclimate weather coming in.
Yeah, look like you did.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna get a rainstorm. I look like some rain at here that side. Look good now, man.
That bar, that one had some structural problems, so it's not up and running right now. So we're headed to this one in the distance. Right there. Well, that's the better one apparently. It looks like there's some acclimate weather coming in. A little rain never hurt your buzz. Little rain won't hurt the buzz, we'll be good.
Yeah, it's a vibe, we just stay and go easy. We're there upon the boat and go and hold it. You see me? Pelican bar, we are forward. We are going to show you exactly what Pelican bar look like in a 2024. We nearly said 2023. So yeah, Massive, you don't know. You just come here and go and hold a vibe. Yeah, it's a vibe. Don't know. Safety first, so we have the life vest just in case we choose to jump off. I don't know, they make a circle and come get me. We can go and float, you understand? Yeah man, good. Look at there. center drive. Up close and personal. Oh, you may look good now, man. Look how Jamaica pretty. Yeah, where to go? We're outside. And this one? Captain Swift? This one? And that? Oh, okay, good. Okay.
It's huge.
That makes sense, it's big.
Yeah.
Pelican bar.
Alright, so we have good news. We can walk. And the water calm and shallow and nice today. Which is good for us so we can see. We can find things.
He said we can walk in the water. Shallow
Oh,
out there.
yeah? That's cool.
Mad.
Captain Swift, I'm leaving my shoes here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
But then again, too. Seal.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you can leave a shoe.
Like the animal.
Seal.
Arf, arf.
Seal. If you're going to walk, you're going to have to put on your shoes. Okay.
Oh, rocks.
Yeah, if you're going to walk, after when you reach in the bar,
Yeah.
then if you want to walk around the reef,
Yeah.
you
I'll
have
just.
to put on your shoes.
Yeah,
So,
man.
take the man. Take the man.
I'll just take my socks out of it.
I mean, you probably want to have to take them back on.
Yeah. That's fine. These are water shoes.
Pelican bar. Yeah, man, we are pull up in a fine style. Yeah, so we have arrived, as you can see, Pelican bar. Yeah, you know, some music I play, so I probably have to go close it here. So. Yeah, where's it? Yeah, that me say, man, still on there. Where's the usually you can't see it?
Usually pop up, start to pop up.
Oh, yeah. Look good.
I reckon there's a lot of Caucasians here.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a Jamaican tourist hotspot.
Alright, massive, so we have arrived. You understand? Look good. Big up teacher. Just to show some of the festivities there, you know? Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah, man. Massive. This is a place that someone have to come experience for yourself. I always hear about it and decide to me, have to forward. I mean, I tell her, this is not normal, brother. Everything you can get your board works, all of them things there over here to see where you get a souvenir, same speed. It's great. Big up all ladies. Much love, much respect. Fabian from Jamaica walk by, you understand? I don't know, the camera love beautiful ladies, you know. So anytime it's soon, you want to catch you know. So usually I don't know if I'm afraid, but yeah. But I like to showcase some beauty still. Big up on yourself, one love, one love. You guys Jamaican? No? Which country?
We're from USA.
Oh, from America. I went to America for the first time the other day. It was excellent. It was so nice. Hey, I walk up and down in the place like I'm yard. Be a free AC out the door.
It's better here.
Yeah, man, the AC free out the door. We love the AC, man.
No way.
Yeah, we say, so that's how I run come out there. Yeah, I want to experience some of the snow.
Snow?
Yeah, man, want some of the ice.
No, I don't like
I go up to Syracuse to try and get it. I'm not out the door. I'm never.
Yeah, New York.
Wicked.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man. So I want to know about Pelican Bar.
I'm having fun. I love it here.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
That is it. See, all I know, cups them empty and now drink and I go and all a vibe. Wanna swim yet?
Yeah.
Swim to, yo, now enjoy yourself, man. That is it.
So much.
Yeah. So, as a matter of fact, can I give you a shout out? Your Instagram, TikTok, you know, do them something there? We go to some shout out.
I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I don't really go.
Persons, them I always try to get that out of the way because I don't want one time me a video and them say, oh, you know, ask some of the beautiful girl for them Instagram so we could at least go follow them. So, better me ask, I want to say no, I want to have it, and then they say, alright, at least in the ask, I don't feel him fall. You know? Yeah. Man, love, man, respect. Yeah, man. Pelican Bar massive, it's just a vibe. Yeah. My guess is probably like a bike. What you mean? Look good now, man. Yeah. He's a big YouTuber from Canada too. Yeah, Seal on tour. Man, this is awesome. Good vibe. Let me go around it. Woo! Let's check it out. Yeah. See, say it's going to get drunk. Mad. Nice bar and thing out in the sea. This is just an experience. This is just a vibe. You can see a lot of persons carve them signatures and stuff in the woods. You can see a lot of couples. Like OMG, there's no free space available. They're all written on. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this is what we're talking about. You can see some part now where the reef up, you know? See that? Yeah. Nice. Pelican Bar. No joke, no doubt. You don't know. Canteen over there, so I go and blaze in a fried fish, lobster, all sort of thing massive. Pelican bar is a vibe. Me don't love the feel. You know, you have like a table in the motor so you can eat and drink 2 beer and easy back, you can jerk over there. So, yo, it's a mad piece of vibe, dog. It's an experience. Me don't go around now. Can't believe me there in Jamaica so long and I don't experience this. When I look on the water, you can swim too. You see me, look. Because I know we are going to swim too, you know. I go swim, you know. You understand? See some fish there and I see. Yeah, man, you can swim and all of that. See a more seating area here where you can come sit down and just hold a vibe. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Figure that. How you mean? Beautiful, me love it. Love it, love it, love it. Pelican bar. I do I hear about it. So my first time there, you know, I check it out for myself. It's an energy. It's an energy. If me I guess right, I guess at the restroom. May I get at the restroom up here, so? That is it. Alright, take it easy. Yes, sir, love. Big up one Jamaica walk by, alright? Cool, cool. Yeah, man. Big up my church sister. Yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Blessed love via respect.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Me have to get some more people for forward.
Yes, sir. What you mean?
Jamaica walk by, you understand?
Home away from
That is it. Look good. Everything on top shelf liquor, everything there.
everything.
Jaja know. Look good, the man. So me and my brethren them said they were going to get drunk. Me don't know about me. Me going to just take a sip. Make them get drunk. And me have to drive. You know what I think go? Big up my boss. Respect. Are you your sister this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you figured that. You see your face? Go on. Yeah. Pelican Bar. See it? Yeah, I'm trying to get him out of the noise so we can talk. You know what I mean? So we can hear what Seal thinks about his experience here, you know, and the beverage that he's having. Yeah, I wanted you out of the noise, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, can't work with the copyright.
Yeah, exactly.
So, Seal,
Yeah, man.
I already saying that one of the most expensive cocktail.
Yeah, man.
It's great though.
It's great, yeah, exactly. But you gotta think we're at a tourist spot, you know? Like,
Yeah, you're out in IC.
what did you expect?
Exactly.
We'll spend a little time here chilling.
How much for this daiquiri?
$15 US.
$15 US.
Bomba club, man. But it's all good. I'm on vacation.
Yeah, that is it.
Permanent vacation. I'm always on vacation, brother.
Always.
How can I
Figure
complain?
that. So how it tastes though? Is it good?
You critique it. Get in there.
Nah, me I gonna get one this year drink.
Okay.
You don't know that already, man. Me I go drive, so me can't take on no alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Drink responsibly.
No, it's good. It's good.
I say mad.
I fuck with it, but yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think about the place so far?
It's cool, dude. I really want to buy some food, but you know, you buy some food, you might be paying $50 US or something. Who knows?
Well, let's find out.
Yeah, I kind of just want to order it, close my eyes, and then they bring the bill, and it's like, that's life, you know? But I would like some fresh seafood, so maybe we see what's happening. But you know what? Maybe we can see if they can bring it out here, so we're free from all the music, because I can't really film much in there because of the copyright, all the music they're playing.
So, massive, you hear from Seal, I know we're there, and we're just easy. And we're over by Pelican Bar. We're gonna get some food, we're gonna get some drinks and stuff like that. So, mad respect, big up every time, and we're there. We not close the video yet, we just have a sewer go on until we forward it. See? Yeah man, Pelican Bar, trust me, it's an experience. Wow, dinner ready? Let's get him, let's get him, let's get him, let's get him! Up, 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 up!
Put a foot there.
Come on!
I'll put the hand, you put a foot there.
Seal,
Yeah.
give them a helping hand.
What?
Give them a helping hand. Oh, shoot. Rest it on my back.
Okay.
Rest it on my back.
Yeah. Right.
Let's go. I'm done.
You want both of us pull her up?
There's a rope ladder around on this side.
Get him to hold. Oh, there's a rope.
There's a rope ladder around this side. You're gonna hurt yourself here.
Can't make it.
Come around. Come around.
We're gonna run you over. Sorry, we're no help.
Let's see if she get it.
No, you got it.
Come on, let's get it.
There's a crab! There's a crab! Whoa!
I don't blame you.
I'm good.
Alright, let's go. Let's see you do it.
It's more scared of you than you were of it.
Oh, let me get my crab. I got one crab. What's the other one? I have it. Alright, hold my
Yeah, man. Come on, man.
Grab this one. Step on this
Step on it again.
Step on the other one.
Yeah, right. Man, she drop. Nobody drop me now.
Go back into your...
Watch your head now.
You see,
Yeah.
if you tell us, alright.
Oh my god! That's a lot of work.
Alright, so since all of that, give your Instagram a shout out.
It's Libra Princess, y'all.
One more time.
Libra Princess.
That is it. So you don't know where the right underneath Pelican Bar. Bro, no one crab that up there, sir.
Where?
It's a crab.
Don't move
What's a
that.
crab? There's a crab. There's so the right underneath Pelican Bar right now. As Vogue. I do some magnet fishing. And magnet fishing. So you don't know magnet fishing Jamaica. Look what I go on. I find back the screw. So while I get blasting screw. But the man with the metal detector can't last no screw.
Can't last Are you last?
Yeah.
Are you last so we can find it now we can't see it?
Look there. I want to can't see, can't find it.
Yeah. So this time, as we see it, I try to scoop and see if we can, you know?
That's it. So far I find one bowl of silver and base it. Yeah, and there the water go and deal with it.
Can't get for. We don't know how me float, sir. Because we are going to get an healthy scoop.
It just a float up.
Yeah, we are float up, man. I'm going to try again. What's up about aviator? I just saw a big piece of screw. I just saw a big piece of screw, sir. Alright, so
watch me. Since we're underneath Pelican bar, we have to search underneath Pelican bar because I don't know what if people come here so them valuable. We'll probably drop through some of them screeches there and all of them things there and them can't get it. Yeah. So we are going to try see if we can find or see if we can see anything at all probably underneath the water because of the man with the magnet there. You see me?
We're still searching for the goal, you know?
Yeah, the goal is in the beach.
So yeah, Pelican bar and you can swim and have a good time. It's great. So we just swim out the entire Pelican bar from underneath and we actually in the sea. Just a go all the vibes here, you see me? It's a vibe. It's crazy. It's awesome. So yeah, we're actually leaving Pelican Bar right now. Look good. Yeah, right in at the middle of Caribbean Sea, as him said. But me actually just did buy food while me I leave, and this is what it looks like. So I order some fried chicken, and me get some vegetable there, get some bami and thing. And me taste the chicken. Chicken tastes really good, tastes fresh and nice. The bami tastes so good. Me not even get to eat it yet because true, me actually order when we are leave, and me actually still get it on time. So yeah, Pelican Bar, you can get your food, all these good stuff.
There we go.
That is it. Oh, you mean? Figured that? So yeah. So we see an abandoned building someplace behind sea right there. So we decide so we are gonna stop there and just look at it a little bit. You don't know, see what I go on. So yeah, it was great. Pelican Bar in the middle of the ocean. Mad thing. Yeah, it was just a great video. Pelican Bar was just amazing and thing, and we have some serious fun. We're just there with Captain Swift and the crew are head back out to land and one thing, and you can see the bar way out in the sea. And there's an abandoned building that we want to check out before we close the video, because my boss here, he want to make sure some check it out and see what go on over there and thing. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Great seal and tour.
We out here.
Yeah, man, we're there. And we're going to stop by one little spot and we're going to walk through a little bit. And it's an abandoned spot, so let's see what it looks like. Let's see what's over there or what we can find over there. I'll figure out why it's abandoned, you know what I mean? But we just have a vibe and go through like pirates. Noel! Yeah. Magnet fishing and metal is all fine. Pot cover, spoon, grill, carving tool, all kinds of fish.
And what if we couldn't take up?
I only go see, but we couldn't take up real, bro. Yeah. A bad thing, bad. It's a vibe. Where is it? Fun done up today.
Yeah, man, the fun done up.
That's vibe.
When you have the music, that's the most important thing.
Yes, I want my music to that place, so would I show a lot more stuff about the place, but you know, we don't want to tell them to turn off the music while we video. So it was just a vibe, same speed. See me, we come back to Jamaica, walk by National. There, I go through and we are head back to the land. Okay? What is this? What that?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, we have it.
Alright.
What a vibe. Yeah, so we're trying to check out these abandoned villas right here. So, whoa, it's rocky. Alright, let's. Woo! So, see you. They're beautiful. Got it, man!
Dude, you've been drinking.
Yeah!
Oh, thank you, sir.
Alright, hold this one. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh, yeah? Alright, these are some abandoned villas. Let's do this. Yeah, so these abandoned villas. This one look crazy because this actually come like it in the sea still. So we're still there at Treasure Beach. We'll explore a little bit. Oh, I'm not even sure if these are safe. Look at this. Damn. Damn. Can we see? So this one actually there, right at the seaside though. Yo. I wonder if we can go up to. This used to be the bathroom. Yeah. So we just explore a little bit. This is one of the villas that actually washed down, or the water washed up to it. Yeah, there's a toilet there. I'm sure no this is safe. Damn. This used to be the window. I'm gonna get the hell out of this building. Used to have the AC there and stuff. Damn. The sea come and take away everything. Oof. Oh, this is safe, bro. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a passage right here. Hey, push me. Ah, got it. I have to watch my step because this looks shaky as hell. I see some part here collapse and thing. Yikes. And these are massive though. There's another bathroom here and stuff. Some of this still intact. Oh my god. It's crazy. Feel like a light work? Light probably work.
Probably switch it down. Every day they switch on something else to the whole room shock up.
One thing for sure though. I don't think I go up the stairs. Wait. Look, look. Oh. See you.
Yeah, man.
Like shit.
You can test it out.
I don't know. I feel pretty solid. Yikes. Yikes.
Alright. Well, I'm probably a bigger boy than you, but...
Alright, so we're on the top. Why me I do this, bro? But I just want to see what inside looks like. This feel like the Giddy House.
The what house?
The Giddy House in Port Royal. Look at that.
Wow. Yo, taking, you could have been waking up to this. Like this one over there.
Yeah.
Beautiful views to wake up to in all of Jamaica.
True. This is like the kitchen.
And now it's just this.
The style of roof, everything.
Yeah.
The modern and thing.
Alright.
Me now walk across this, cause trust me, this probably not safe none at all.
See that.
Even the slide doors. There's slide doors and stuff here. Oh man. This is crazy. It's crazy. See. Yo, look on this step. Look at that. Yeah, bro.
You done, buddy?
Yeah, look how many of them. Look there. All of these buildings are abandoned. Look there. What is happening, yo? All abandoned buildings. Look at that. Every single one of them abandoned. They're beautiful. Crazy. Yo, we're getting the hell out of here, man. See you. That was crazy.
Dude, this is cool. I think there's adventure around the corner everywhere in Jamaica.
Everywhere.
You always can find some cool things, you know, cool people.
No, oh, we'll get back in our boat. Yo, let's go for it. Let's just go for it. Oh, the boat got it. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, that's my food right there. Oh, careful, bro. Whoa, whoa.
That's yours.
That's it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Ah, yeah. Let's get this off, man.
Captain Swifty. Captain Taylor Swifty. He's a Swifty because he likes Taylor Swifty.
What an experience.
They get put on hold. Jamaica standby.
And there's a few things we can catch. Yeah.
We have about 2 more minutes to play.
More 2 more minutes. That is it.
So like how you see, you have the light in my eye now.
Yeah. Can't see. Yeah. Alright.
I have to crash the boat in a
Man. Outside. That is it.